Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the linked single crochet half cluster stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, the single crochet stitch, double crochet stitch, and be familiar with the cluster stitch. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. Starting from the very beginning, making chains, you're going to make chains in the multiple of 2 plus 3. I have already made 25 chains on my hook. To start row 1, make 1 double crochet into the 3rd chain from your hook. Then make 1 single crochet into the next chain. Now we're ready to make our first linked single crochet half cluster. We're going to be using this previous single crochet stitch. You're going to insert your hook into this first little leg right here of your single crochet. So it's going to be this loop. Grab that yarn, pull it through that loop of that single crochet. Then we're going to be making the bottom of a double crochet into this same chain. So you're going to yarn over, insert your hook into this chain with this single crochet, grab that yarn, pull it through that chain, yarn over, take that through 2 loops only. That's going to be the bottom of a double crochet made. You're going to have 3 loops left, yarn over, take that through all 3 loops to complete that linked single crochet half cluster stitch. You'll now skip 1 chain into this next one, make a single crochet. Then we're going to start that linked single crochet half cluster again. Insert your hook into this loop of the single crochet you had just made. Grab that yarn, pull it through. You'll have a loop. Yarn over, make the bottom of a double crochet in this same chain with this single. Insert your hook, grab that yarn, pull it through. Yarn over, take that through 2 loops only. You'll have 3 left, yarn over, take that through all 3 loops. Skip a chain into this next one, single crochet. Same thing, we're going to be using this leg of the single crochet. Then make the bottom of a double crochet in that same chain. You'll have 3 loops, yarn over, take that through all 3 loops. Skip 1 chain, 1 single in the next one. So you can see how this is going to be repeating for the rest of this row. When you get to the end of your row and you only have 1 chain left, work 1 double crochet into that last chain to complete this row. And that's how row 1 is looking. To start row 2, make 3 chains. These 3 chains count as a double crochet. So this row is going to be similar to row 1. It's just going to be worked into stitches instead of chains. So we're going to be skipping the first stitch. Into this next one, you're going to make that single crochet. Then into the leg of this single crochet right here, you're going to start your linked single crochet half cluster. Same steps, you're going to pull up a loop into that single, yarn over, make the bottom of a double crochet. You have 3 loops, yarn over, take that through all 3 loops. Then you'll skip 1 stitch and do the same thing into the next one. Single crochet, use that leg to pull up a loop, yarn over, make the bottom of a double crochet, yarn over, take that through all 3 loops. So you'll start repeating this until you reach the end of this row. When you get to the end of your row and you only have 1 stitch left, work 1 double crochet into that last stitch to complete this row. And that's how row 2 is looking. You would now repeat row 2 for however long you want your project. And that is going to be how to make the linked single crochet half cluster stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here and have a great day. I hear you. Okay, I'll throw it. Okay, I'll throw it. Set it down. Can you stop meeping? Can you hold on? Can you hold on 2 seconds? You gotta hold on 2 seconds. Okay.